fix MS Word file not opening or got corrupt in MS Word. So if you have an MS Word file that you're not being able to open up, when you're trying to click on open, it says that the file is corrupt, whether you're using MS Word on the app or the cloud version of MS Word. The only way to fix it is that you can go to your browser and just search for fix corrupt Word file online. So when you type in fix corrupt Word file online, you can see a couple of websites that you can use. So in this case, I'm just choosing the second one, which is onlinefile.repair. So I'll just select this Microsoft Word Repair Online. Just select the certain file that you would like to repair if it is been corrupt. Then after you've done that, you have uploaded the file. Once you've uploaded the file, you want to go ahead and then enter your email address right here. So let me go ahead and then basically enter my email address here, and then I'll also go ahead and then select my file right there. And once done, I can click on the next step. It is going to repair that file, and it might also send the download link to my email, after which I can open up that new file which has been repaired. This way you will be able to fix corrupt Word file. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.